My name is Basia Jaman, and this is my final project in industrial design at the School of Form in Poznan. I've been working on a project that combines rules taken from traditional Polish handcrafts with new technologies. Inspired by a local embroidery style in robotics, the result is a set of tools that can weave an abstract stitch with a robotic arm. By using carbon fiber covered in resin, the structure sets after the process. The journey begins in the digital environment where the form is created in Rhino. When the model is ready, it is sent to a 3D printer. Printing of each part of the tool may take from 3 to 5 hours depending on the chosen quality. After each piece is removed from its supports, it is time to assemble it and screw it to the KUKA robot. The tool is calibrated by setting 0 points. The program which defines its movements is then input using Grasshopper. The Dremel function of the tool is selected, and the holes of the supporting nails are drilled. Only when the nails are fitted is it time for the dry run. Carbon or glass fiber thread is delicately loaded into the mechanism of the tool. Any adjustments can be made, and a flexible program will take them into account. The resin is mixed using carefully set proportions before being fitted to the tool. The stitches can then be woven and left to dry. This has proven to be a versatile process, which leaves many possibilities open for exploration in the future.